What's going on, guys? Average Tech Guy here, and today we are back with another basically an app review. You may have your S20, S20 Plus, S20 Ultra, and you want to know how to cover up that camera cutout. Now, there are tons of applications out there that you can find. As you can see, I have the Plus model right here in cloud blue. I'm going to do a full review on this, as well as this case. This case, if you want to know, I'll link it below. It's by the company Subcase. This is Unicorn Beetle style. But right now, we're going to talk about the app. So this app is called Ultra Pix. Now, it's specifically for the S20 Ultra punch hole cutout. It's wallpapers that are going to help you to cover that cutout up. Now, this app is going to run you about $3 or $4. So if you look, basically just scroll through these and just pick whichever one you want. Now, it's a little limited right now to what you can get, but once you click on one, let's say we click the submarine. Click on the submarine, and this is what's going to come up. Now, if you want to actually see this on your screen, you just tap on it. It's going to show you the full thing. And I kind of like all the blue. So blue phone, blue case. Let's check that out. So if you download the application and buy the actual app, you're going to be able to save this to your device. If not, you can only set it. I want to make it one of my favorites. And if you decide to set it, it's going to ask you, do you want to put it as lock screen, home screen, or both? Right now, I want to use it on my home screen, and there you go. If I want to save it to my gallery, just hit save, wallpapers downloaded. Once I go into my gallery, boom, there it is. Now let's go home. Let's go home, and there's my brand new wallpaper. So last year, I actually downloaded the Wallpix app for my S10 when it came out, and I have not regretted it. The application is always changing. They're going to give you new wallpapers on a daily basis, so just stay tuned for those. And basically, just anyone you would like, just click on it. You can preview it. I kind of like that one too. But they got superheroes, they got Dragon Ball Z, they got video games, they got tons of wallpapers that you can go and check out. So they even have live wallpapers. Once you go in here, you actually click this, it's the live section, and you can come over here. Tons of different live settings that you can go through, and these just keep on going. So they may kill your battery a little bit. I'm not sure. I haven't fully tested all these out, but nice live wallpapers, also by the Ultra Pix app. So I'll drop a link below to this app so you can do that. Check it out for yourself. Like I said, this is the Ultra Pix app. When you get it, it's gonna look like this right here, Ultra Pix. But great app, great way to use your device, a great way to use that hole punch camera cutout and disguise it and mask it. So that's been it. Hopefully this is able to help someone out. Until next time, be sure and give me that thumbs up, and please subscribe. Average Tech Guy out. Peace.